AI capability supports our business strategy. It's going to enable us to make decisions faster, with speed, with better accuracy, and it's also going to enable us to focus on value-added activity. I'm Gaynor Powley. I'm the Senior Director for Human Resources for the European part of the business belonging to ASR Group. I've been with the business for 23 years, 24 this year. AI is becoming really important for us. It's a big part of our strategy. We're thinking about it a lot. The reason being, it's not something that's coming at us in the future. It's happening now. We're all using AI in our day-to-day, and really we want to be leaders in this field. We don't want to be left behind. It's really important for us to really build the confidence and capability around AI within the organisation. There's a risk to not upskilling teams in AI. Primarily from a people perspective, it's really frustrating to do a job when you know there's inefficiency, and we want to make people's lives better, easier, and more enjoyable when they're actually, coming to work. And from the business perspective, it's really about not being left behind. Those missed opportunities to improve what we do day in, day out, and be the best in our field. I think the biggest impact of AI skills for our business is that it's going to enable us to make decisions better and faster, and more importantly, communicate more effectively as well. I think our team's prepared for AI today. There's a lot of enthusiasm, there's a lot of excitement, but there's also a lot of anticipation as well. It sends a really strong message to our colleagues that we're investing in them. This is about developing skills, not replacing them. We really want to be leaders in this field. AI adoption is accelerating, and we want to be part of that, and we want to give our workforce the confidence and competence to be able to do that. We chose to work with Boom Training because we really like the fact that this space of AI and technology was an area of specialism, and also we really liked the interactive style of the platform and the availability of mentors throughout the learning programme.